Hello guys, welcome to the driver channel. So today we'll be looking at this crash strategy. This video is going to be very short and understandable for each and every individual. Okay, so if you are new to the driver channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and a posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Also, if you want to join the Telegram community, it's absolutely for free. We do post signal each and every week, so you can join our Telegram community and be part of the family. When you post signal, you can participate in signal and make money together. So with that being said, if you also want to receive our premium strategy course, you can just contact number seen on the screen. We do offer a premium strategy course which you guys can be using to make money for yourself. And we are currently running to a discount because it's a new month, so there's a discount for each and everyone that contact us and want to get the premium courses. If you also want account management, you can just contact number you're seeing on the screen as well. It's a WhatsApp number, so contact us and we respond to you as soon as possible. So without being said, let's begin with the strategy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do just to add the indicator up, then we dive into how you guys are going to make use of strategy. The first indicator that we are going to have on our chart is the moving average. So the period is going to be 11, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and you can choose any color of your choice. You set everything up like this, click on done, and you're going to have your moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the Bollinger Band. Search for Bollinger Band and click on it. And the period is 5, shift is 1, the division is 000. Apply to previous indicators data, and you can choose any color of your choice as well. So click on done. The next indicator that we are going to be adding is the moving average. And search for moving average on the window plus, click on it, and here's the properties. Period is 36, shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to low, and I'm using blue color. You can choose any color of your choice as well. So we set everything up like this, click on done, and that is all that you are going to need in your main chart. Okay, now to the next indicator, click on the main window plus, search for your RSI and click on it. Now this is the properties for the RSI. The period is 20, apply to close, the levels is 15, and the 12 levels, choose any color of your choice. And for the RSI style, just make it as a background color, click on done. We set everything up, and you are going to have your RSI in your chart. Now to the next indicator, click on indicator 1 plus, search for your Ichimoku and click on it. Now the condition is 4, the condition is 4, the span B is true, apply to field. We don't need the condition and the span B, so choose any color of your choice for each and everyone indicator line. Okay, so click on done, and set everything up, and this eye chart is going to look like. Okay, this eye chart is going to look like now. Doing this strategy works on the 1 minute time frame. At the same time, it also works on the 5 minute time frame. Sorry. Now I'm using the strategy on the 1 minute time frame. So for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, you just use the third zoom level. So which means that the second zoom level. When you zoom out, just do like this, 1, 2, and that is the zoom level that we are going to use for the strategy. Okay. So now, how do you now make use of the strategy? First thing first, you want to make sure that you see the chemical line right here touching the RSI, touching the 15 levels of the RSI. When this touches happen, all you want to see is, you want to make sure that you see it cross over each other. The line must cross over each other right here, which you can see at the spot. Now when this crossover happens, now you pay attention to this green line right here. Pay attention to this green line right here. When this green line crosses the black line, that is when with a candle. You must cross with a candle. When you cross with a candle, then you enter for your trade. And remember, your TPs will always be at this blue candle right here. Whenever a candle touching the blue line, then you take your profit. This candle right there is even up to 20 candles. So just collect the candle that it gave you up to here, and then you close your position. As simple as that is, guys. So let's look for more examples. Okay, so same thing right here, right here, touches at the 15 levels, and you also want to see the 12 levels. So choose any color of your choice. So click on done, and you set everything up, and this eye chart is going to look like. Okay, so now, how do you now make use of the strategy? First thing first, you want to make sure that you see the the crossover happens right here. See, the two lines must touch the 15 levels and at the same time must cross over each other. When this happens right here, you're paying attention to this green line right here. This green line right here, wait for it to cross above the black line with a candle and enter your trees. When you enter your trees, you take a profit right at this candle. Don't be greedy to catch all this candle right here. Don't be greedy, just catch it when it touch the blue line. Close your position and wait for another opportunity. Now let's look for a more example on the bomb indices. Now same thing I've clicked right here, just going to be in a different way. So now you wait for the touches at this 5 level for a bomb, and you wait for the crossover to happen right here, which you can see the both line must touch the 5 levels and at the same time cross over each other. When this happens right here, the next thing you want to look out for is you want to pay attention to this green line right here crossing below the black line. When cross below the black line with a candle, we enter for our trades and take our profit when we touch this area right here. So as simple as that is, guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful right here. I don't want the video to be long, so I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I follow your strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.